Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to be discussing the pricing for Amazon SES. And assuming that you don't have an account, we're going to go to the pricing link right here at the top. Now if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you're going to notice that you can start using SES at a free tier at no cost. What this will allow you to do is if you are a new Amazon AWS customer, you'll be able to send the first 62,000 messages through Amazon SES absolutely free, in addition to having 1,000 inbound messages per month. Now, after the first 62,000, you'll pay 10 cents per 1,000 emails sent afterward. Now, this only applies if you're going to be using the application from inside of Amazon SES. If you choose to use another client or another application that uses Amazon SES, then the price you'll pay is 10 cents per 1,000 emails sent. Now there is also pricing for receiving email, however, we're not going to cover that portion in this particular course. Now if you want to get an idea of what you'll be paying every month, you can always use the AWS Simple Monthly Calculator. And all you'll need to do is to put in the information based on what you have with Amazon SES. This will give you an estimate of what you'll be paying at the end of your month. Now for some users, it'll be necessary to get a dedicated IP address, as this helps with deliverability. A dedicated IP address is going to be $24.95 per month, and that'll be in addition to the services that you are using. It's likely that if you choose to use Amazon as your email provider that you will not be using attachments. However, if you do, there is a separate charge for attachments, and that charge is going to be over the course of the month 12 cents per gigabyte of attachments that you send. Now if you don't have an AWS account or an Amazon SES account, as you're already logged into your Amazon account, what you'll need to do is to click this button that says create a free account. When you get to this page, you'll either sign up for an existing AWS account that you already have, maybe perhaps you're already using Amazon S3, or you can sign up for a new account using this interface. You'll want to fill in the information that you are being brought to. And once you've done that, you'll then click Create Account and Continue. Now when you get ready to sign up, you will need to submit a credit card number to AWS. You can do that here in this screen, and once you've done that, you can then click Submit. You'll then have access to the console. What you'll do is you'll scroll down on the right side and you'll click Simple Email Service. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.